welcome to YouTube channel of Kanak Info System. Today I will show you some new features of Odoo 18 which was not available in Odoo 17. For example, first I will show you the report format which was not available in V17 and now we can get it in V18. We will go in settings. Here configure document layout. Till 17 we were only having light, boxed, bold and stripped as a format in report, but now we will have bubble, wave and folder as a new format available. For example, now we will select bubble and we will click on continue. This will save the format. Now second is in project. When we will go in project, here we will go and here a new option is available to customize the view. For example, I have selected here different layouts, different views for cell orders. We can get it. Now here we can get the view according to it. For example, cell order. So we can get access to cell order view. Invoice, we will get the access of invoice and etc. Now I will show you the report which we have configured earlier. So now I will download any report. So here as I have selected bubble, so the report is of bubble type and bubble format. Thank you.